Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Review. Today, I will review the email list validation tool. You will find its lifetime deal at AppSumo at just $59. If you need extra 10% off, watch the full video. Email list validation tool is an AppSumo select email verifier tool, which means AppSumo verify it, and you can verify your email or email list in bulk with it in a risk-free manner. As per the review counts shown in the AppSumo, we can tell that it is a quality email list validation tool. During our reviewing time, we checked that it has 222 reviews and it is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that most of the reviews are good. It is an alternative to NeverBounce and NeverBounce, and it is the best email verifier tool for marketers. It comes with 3 different tier plans: License Tier 1, License Tier 2, License Tier 3. License Tier 1 price is $59. It comes with 1 million credits per year. Besides, you will get unlimited sub-accounts, instant email finder, real-time API, email list cleaning, and automate system. License Tier 2 price is $118. It comes with 2 million credits per year. Other options are the same as License Tier 1. License Tier 3 price is $177. It comes with 3 million credits per year. Other options are the same as License Tier 1. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of the email list validation tool. In the navigation menu, you will find Verification, Finder, Deliverability, and API sections. We will come one by one. Let's start with the single email verification option. So, let's check some emails. Now, we will check this email. Just copy and put this email in the single email verification box and search. It is not a valid email. Email list validation tool says it is an invalid email and your email address is not safe to send. It says disposable no. In the bulk email verification option, you can check emails in bulk. Here are some mixed, valid and invalid emails in the list. Bulk email verification has 2 options: import from file and import from integration. In the import from file option, you just need to import your CSV file and then wait some time to check. Then you can see details like how many emails are deliverable, how many are undeliverable, risky email number, duplicate email number, unknown email number, disposable email number, spam trap email number on the right-hand side. You can also see graphic visualization like 72% deliverable. Now click on the download option. Here you will see different options. You can download maximum deliverability emails. It means all the emails will be delivered. Or you can download only bad emails. It means no email will be delivered. Besides, you will find accept all emails or all results, combining all your results, valid or not valid all. From here, we will select all emails result options and finally download it in the CSV or XLXS option. Here, you will see some are valid, some are invalid, and so on. In the import from integration option, you will see options like Mailchimp, Campaign Monitor, HubSpot, MailerLite, SendLoop, Gist, SendGrid, Vertical Response, ActiveCampaign, MadMimi, Monitor. Now, we will see the email Finder option. Here, you can give the first name, last name, and domain URL to find the email. The deliverability option is paid, and if you buy the lifetime deal, you will get it. Besides this, you can create API here and use this too. And you can integrate API by using Python, Ruby, PHP, and C#. Here, you see the usage of API. So, now you learn all the details of using the email list validation tool. Hope this will help you to run your email campaign in an error-free manner. If you need this email verification tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from AppSumo at just $59. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it, if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you actually like this video, please subscribe to us, and give us a like. And, for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.